me what? What do you want? Fishing, shrimp, adventure. I'm early bird gets the worm. See you at the pond. Hey guys, me Weston. I'm ready to go catch some bait. Come on, let's go.
Catch some bait. Follow me over here. Just walk up there to it. Pull it in, pull. Pull. Pull it, let's go. What the heck's in there? Pull in, let's go.
Got some birds.
Yeah. Y'all ready to go fishing?
Yeah!
All right, let's do this. What do y'all think? Are y'all catching any fish yet?
No.
Oh, don't get up there, Boo. All right, stop reeling. You're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. All right, let me check it. Keep reeling him.
I like Weston.
God, that's a pig. That's a big boy. Reel him in, Weston. Keep reeling. Keep that tip up. Reel it all the way right up here. Reel it right up here. You're doing good. Golly. Give him back this way. Turn this way. Hang on. Hold on. Hold up. 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 All right, bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in.
That's a pig.
Dude, just hold it right here. That's a pig. That's a good fish. Look at that slab. Bubba, look at this.
Can I hold him?
Yeah, hang on. To me.
Hey guys, we caught another bass right off the bat.
Boom. All right. Getting after it. Let's keep it going. Chloe, you having fun? Okay, good. Pick him up. Chloe, is this fun? Let me see, Weston. What you got?
Me Weston. Hope you liked our new video today. Hope you join us on the next adventure. Peace!